Hey y'all, welcome to another hair unboxing. So I have 3 packages. 2 are from my raw hair vendor. The other is from my lace vendor. So I'm going to be showing you all a lot of different textures that we do have. And right now, if you head over to my website, rawhairexchange.com, we are having a virtual pop-up shop where all of the products and services are currently on sale. So today we're going to be looking at the Bodywave texture, the Kinky Curly texture, the Kinky Straight texture, and then also our 613 blonde hair. And I'm also going to show you all our frontals that I am going to go ahead and add as a product as well. So this is the 613 hair. This is in the Bodywave texture, and this is 22 inches. This hair is so gorgeous. The feel on it is amazing. The quality is unmatched, and all of the wefting on the bundles is done very neatly. The bundles are very full, and this hair can take any type of color deposit. So we have 3 bundles that I'm going to show you all. With this hair, I am going to be making a unit that is going to be added on to the website collection for raw hair wigs, and the hair is very thick from root to tip. So 3 bundles is more than enough for a full head. Of course, if you would like more, you can add more. But as you can see, the 3 bundles are very full. And one thing I like about the 613 is that it's not that Barbie doll color hair. It actually does have some dimension to it. So this is the 10-inch bundles of the raw body wave. We're going to be making this into a bob for one of my clients. Loving the luster on that. All of the hair is healthy. All of the bundles are very full. This is some more body wave. This is in 16 inches. This is also for one of my clients. We're going to make that into a wig. All right, now here we have the raw Kinky Straight, which is also a very popular texture. This is going to be also made into a wig for one of my clients. And I absolutely love the raw Kinky Straight. It is going to give you that natural look if you're going for that. I will be posting this one as well so you all can see what it looks like in the finishing look of it. And then here, this is the raw Kinky Curly. This is also posted on our website. The raw Kinky Curly is so gorgeous and also giving you that very natural look. Perfect time for the summer and the spring. Perfect for any type of vacation hairstyle. And then this is 4 more bundles of the raw body wave in 18 inches. So this will also be turned into a wig. So from our lace vendor, this is the frontal. This is supposed to be a 13 by 4, but as you see, I'm going to measure it, and there is much more lace than 13 inches. So one thing that I love about my vendor, they are very generous with the lace. This is actually 14 inches across. And then on the parting space, you do have about 4 inches there. So yes, a little bit over 4 inches. So you can part anywhere on the lace. And it also does have very small knots. All of these are single knotted, easy to bleach, and also going to give you that undetectable look if you're going to install it. So y'all, that's it. Stay tuned for the next one.